We're kind of like your Yoda, your Obi-Wan for those Star Wars fans out there.
You would go to bat for me or another motorcyclist. Hi everyone, my name is Alyssa and today I am joined by Ari Levenbaum, the owner of Law Tigers, America's motorcycle lawyers. Ari, where are we at today?
So we are in Phoenix, Arizona at Papago Park.
Tell me about this bike you're sitting on here.
I'm sitting on my dream bike. It is a 2020 custom road glide, aptly named the Tiger Glide by my good friend Paul Yaffe, who built this bike for me last year. So you're actually on a 2016 Dyna Lowrider S, and I absolutely love both of these bikes. Each has a different look and purpose.
I'm here today in your backyard of Arizona, but I'm from California, so Law Tigers is national, correct?
Law Tigers has been around as an organization for 20 years, and all of our member firms are part of the American Association of Motorcycle Injury Lawyers. So that's what's great about us, is we can help you in any state in which you live or where you have an accident.
So you guys are in the community with us and can really understand this love and passion that we have for these crazy hunks of metal.
You're absolutely right.
What got you into riding motorcycles?
Well, to first answer your earlier question, that's what really makes us special and unique, is this is what we do. Yeah, we can help you if you're in an auto accident or have another type of injury, but our focus is really on motorcycle injuries. And these lawyers are out speaking to clubs and organizations about safety. They're riders themselves, they can relate. Some of them have even been in accidents themselves, so they can really empathize. But in answer to your second question, what got me into this was really my passion and love for riding. In fact, we're here right now on the dirt, even though these are street bikes, right? My first motorcycle at 8 years old was a Honda 70 ATC, a little three-wheeler. And my father and I, some of our fondest memories were both riding in the dirt as we were younger and then on the street going on father-son trips as we were older. So really for us, and my father, who's our founder, who deserves credit for coming up with this brand and this whole program, was about our love of riding. But also, we found there was a need to help fellow riders who are injured who weren't getting the respect, and you definitely want to call us first so we can help you.
Law Tigers even before my insurance company?
Law Tigers first, or some sort of law firm that focuses on injured motorcycle riders, motorcycle accident injury law. Because it really is unique. There are nuances associated with being in a motorcycle accident, but the last thing you should do is call your insurance company first. And people ask me, why is that? Well, because the insurance company and the insurance adjuster really isn't there to give you what you're entitled to, what you deserve. I have nothing against insurance companies. Their role is to pay you as little as possible. Look, these are for-profit entities. We're kind of like your Yoda, your Obi-Wan, for those Star Wars fans out there.
You would go to bat for me or another motorcyclist to make sure that the insurance companies pay us out what we're due. And then you were actually telling me earlier that you're able to work with doctors and hospitals and even kind of push on them.
We've got doctors, specialists with whom we work that are willing to take on liens so that you don't have to pay them out of pocket if you don't have insurance, and then they get paid once we file a claim and we get paid.
Law Tigers is putting a lot of skin in the game. If they don't win the settlement, they don't get any money, and I haven't paid anything.
We could have hundreds of thousands of dollars in some of these cases. And if we don't get a favorable outcome, then not only do you not get paid, but we don't. So it's a shared interest. It's in our best interest to get you what you deserve.
I needed further education on even looking at some of my insurance policies.
So first and foremost, I want people to understand we are not an insurance adjuster, a broker. We're not in the insurance industry. There's part of this thing called uninsured motorists that this helps you help yourself when the other person doesn't have enough. So make sure, please, to call your insurance agent.
Kind of how does this process go in just kind of brief steps?
First thing you do, like I said, is call either the Law Tigers or a qualified law firm, injury law firm. Do not call your insurance company. We will then route your call to the local firm where you live, and then we go to work. Once that happens, you sign an agreement. There's no upfront expenses. We only get paid if we collect and win. We then assign the case to a lawyer and a paralegal, and they're with you every step of the way as your trusted advisor.
Someone else does paperwork for me.
They do paperwork, they reach out to the insurance companies, we take care of everything for you. You don't have to worry about anything. And then from there, we want to make sure you're going to get treated. If you don't have insurance, this is where we really provide a lot of value. We can connect you with doctors with whom we have relationships. We can also, at that time, work on getting your bike repaired or replaced. That's a property damage claim, we call it, and we do that at no charge to you. If you want to learn more about Law Tigers and how we can help you, check out the link below.
Thank you, Ari. I've learned so much today. Hopefully this helps someone out. And should we go ride these motorcycles?
Sure.